corn night just got a whole lot cleaner. This clever corn accessory set helps you strip kernels fast without corn flying everywhere. The foldable peeler opens when you need it and folds shut for safe, compact storage. The interlocking cob holders give you a solid grip, so you can eat hot corn without burning your fingers. They even snap together when stored, keeping drawers tidy. Perfect for grilling days, quick prep, and stress-free cleanup. So if you want perfect tea every time, this is the best for you. Pouring drinks just got a lot easier. This motion-activated candy dispenser delivers treats automatically with just a wave of your hand. Choose from 3 dispensing options to get the perfect portion every time, while the retro modern design makes it a stylish addition to any desk or countertop. It keeps candy fresh and hygienic, and its generous capacity is perfect for parties, offices, or home fun. Sweet, simple, and a little bit magical. Stop letting your fresh herbs wilt and go to waste.
This magnetic drip teapot releases tea with a simple lift, letting you control the pour without spills or mess. The clear glass design lets you watch the tea bloom, making every cup feel special. A built-in filter keeps leaves out, so you get a smooth, clean pour every time. It's comfortable to hold, easy to clean, and perfect for slow afternoons or sharing tea with guests. So if you want perfect tea every time, this is the best for you. Pouring drinks just got a lot easier.
This stainless steel pressure cooker helps you get hearty meals on the table fast while locking in flavor and nutrients. You can open and lock it with one hand, so cooking feels effortless even when you're juggling ingredients. It works on most stovetops and gives you steady pressure for tender meats and rich soups every time. You also get a glass lid and steamer, so you can switch from pressure cooking to everyday cooking easily. Cleanup is simple too, letting you enjoy the meal instead of the mess. So if you want perfect tea every time, this is the best for you. Pouring drinks just got a lot easier.